show you guys what I'm eating before yoga. So it's strength training. It is 8:40 and I didn't really eat a lot yesterday, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating. Super simple. I have to do my hair. Oh my god. We have a banana and some plant protein with a little bit of coconut creamer and mostly water. I'm gonna buy a NutriBullet. Hopefully I can make really yummy shakes, but for now this is it. Guys, check out the outfit though. We have green and green socks. It's leprechaun weekend today and I am not participating, but I am going to lunch, so I'm gonna see all the crazy people and I just want to be festive. So here it is. Obviously this is all gonna come off before my workout, but let's go. One last week. Okay, so I am quickly getting ready for the night. I am going out. Came on here really quickly because I want to share with you guys this foundation, the Maybelline foundation, and you guys know I love, well, if you didn't know, I love the Fit Me foundation, and this, guys, oh my god, I love this foundation. Okay, I'm gonna do like half of my face and show you guys because it's just so amazing. You have to grab it if you haven't. It's so good. What is this called? The Ultimate Blending Brush. That is $3 and it's so amazing. Look at the coverage. God, could it get any better? And this is just one coat with a brush. Holy moly, and the color is perfect because I am really pale right now. This is the color 120. If you're wondering, must buy. If you love foundations, it's like $7. All right, I can cook, I promise. I can bake. I just didn't realize that my burnt pizza that I'm still gonna eat, guys. This is cauliflower pizza from Trader Joe's. If you want to buy it and not burn your pizza, this is what it looks like. It's cheese pizza, gluten-free, with a cauliflower crust. And okay, it says a 420 in the back. I don't know why. Oh, 425, and I put it for 420. Our oven must be like potent. So I'm still gonna eat it, but before I eat it, I don't know if anyone's here or not. Whatever, everyone left. I'm gonna make some spinach to go with it, so I can have spinach and pizza and yummy, 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 yummy. Also, I'm doing my makeup. I look crazy. If I had some time on, I probably would put, I'm talking to like nobody. Hello, boobs, talking to you. If I had some time, I probably would put bacon on top of this pizza just to make it like super delicious. I'm not fully keto, I would say, but I am reading about it. I'm exploring it. I'm dipping my toes in the ketogenic diet, so I'm trying to just keep my carbs low and just eat a lot of high fats. So I've been eating bacon. We're gonna make some spinach. So I like to use coconut oil for everything, mostly everything, but it tastes really good with coconut oil. So I can't open it. Oh my god, I'm so strong. So just a little bit of coconut oil. So it cooks really delicious. This is also from Trader Joe's, by the way, if you're looking for coconut oil. What I like to put in my spinach. Oh my god. You did not see that, guys. I am the clumsiest person ever. This is garlic, homemade garlic, blended just in a blender. My mom makes it for me sometimes, and I just bring it home from her house. I cook it for a little bit, just until it gets like a little brown. You don't want it too dark. Sometimes I do forget I have a pan on, so it does get extra dark, but I still eat it. It's really good. Anyways, this is good enough. And then I have half a bag of spinach. I'm gonna do the whole thing because watch, this half a bag is gonna shrivel up and be nothing. I had half a bag yesterday and half a bag today. This is also from Trader Joe's. I feel like I'm being sponsored by Trader Joe's, but I'm really not. This is baby spinach. It's like $2. It's really amazing. Swirl it all around. If you don't like uncooked spinach, like I like cooked and uncooked spinach, but cooked spinach is yummier. So if you don't like uncooked spinach, definitely cook it. It gives it a lot more flavors. Like the garlic and coconut oil just give it this rich, really yummy flavor that I feel like anyone could eat, even if you don't like spinach. So definitely try it out like this if you don't like it. Also kale, if you don't like kale, try just cooking it. It's not the same if you cook it. There's less nutrients, of course, but you know, you're still eating it, so I feel like there has to be a little bit left. I don't know, but it's still good for your body. It's still good for you, so just cook it. Try not to overdo it on the oil, but since I am exploring this ketogenic diet, I do like to incorporate a lot of fats at the moment in my diet, so I am drowning it in coconut oil. I don't want to cook it for too long. This is probably gonna sit here for another like 5 minutes ish, and I like to season it with pink Himalayan salt. Just a tad. We're gonna put some pepper in there. Put a little bit more of extra garlic. Told you guys I like garlic. Probably shouldn't because I'm going out, but whatever. And this is the secret ingredient, guys. This is also from Trader Joe's, but you can get it anywhere. I just shop there a lot. This is just red chili pepper flakes, and this just gives it a nice spice to your spinach. If you don't like spicy, you might not like this because it is kind of spicy. I don't like to put too much in here because I like spicy, but I don't have a big tolerance for it, so it's really weird. I like it though. Look how little this is compared to what I had before. This is half a bag. That's insane. That's insane. I told you guys. So this is like 1 serving for me. I can finish that bag in a heartbeat. So we got some veggies. Yum. That's my dinner. JK. This is more like it. Oh yeah. Go Gabby. It is the weekend, so I'm not too hard on myself, and I also haven't eaten since the last meal that I had, and I don't usually count my calories. So this is really yummy. Here's a little close-up of today's dinner, guys. All from Trader Joe's, and super easy. A really good cheat Saturday weekend meal. So the only thing I do is I don't count calories. I don't focus on numbers anymore. I used to a lot. At one point I was counting my macros, and I did it for a week with the LifeSum app, I think that's what it's called. It gave me a good perspective of what a serving is and what a serving looks like. So I feel like now I can usually just eyeball a lot of things. I'm not an expert, of course. I probably go over my calories all the time. But it just gives me, you know, like I feel like I don't need to count my calories. It just gives me more pressure. But yeah, this is basically what I do. I haven't had pizza in a while, so I figured I would just eat this weekend. And I'm also looking crazy, and I need to get ready, and I needed something fast. So instead of ordering out, I'd rather just cook this, and it's cheap. The bag of spinach is $2. The pizza is like $5. That's $7. Takeout is like $15 here. Obviously anything that's frozen is, I personally don't feel that it is as healthy as something natural, something raw, something, you know, that you buy from a farmer's market. But sometimes you just gotta be a little lenient. Good morning. It is breakfast time. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I've been up for a couple of hours now, and I really want to make breakfast. Not usually, but I occasionally do fast. But since it's the weekend and I didn't have enough calories yesterday, I am pretty hungry. I can feel it. I only had 2 meals. The 2 meals that I showed you guys, and that's definitely not enough for me. I am a working girl, you know. Look at these muscles.
JK. I'm gonna make some bacon and some almond flour pancakes. So like I said yesterday, I am exploring the ketogenic diet. I'm not completely keto, so I am gonna include some bacon in here. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay guys, the final product. We have bacon, some coffee, my medicine. I have strep at the moment. Have you ever guys gotten strep? I freaking died. I thought I was literally dying because I've never gotten it before. I had such a high fever, but anyways, distracted. Final product, pancakes. They taste so freaking good. Here we go, we meet again. Vlog, camera, people, internet. Just came back from ShopRite. I actually went to Trader Joe's, but the line was so long that I walked right out. Like, I couldn't deal with it. So I'm gonna go back later on, but I wanna show you guys what I got from ShopRite. I got some essentials. And I also have it in my room because our kitchen is really dark and it just makes me really depressed. It's so not, there's no light. Like in my room, there's so much light and I love light. Anyways, I'm gonna make some Play-Doh brownies tonight and hopefully I can show you guys. But I got the main ingredient, which is cacao powder. So this is the main ingredient that I wanted to show you guys. This is cacao powder and it is a superfood. If you Google superfood, it's, I don't know like what they call it, but it's basically a food that has a lot of nutrients and it's very rich. I know it originates in Peru and that's where I'm from. It's made from cacao. My mom actually knows about this and she explained it to me and how they actually use it and how they powder it and whatever and put it in this thing. But I told her to bring me some fresh cacao powder from Peru because she's going in a few months and I'm so excited, and she's gonna get me cacao powder and maca powder, which is really good for you too. It's another superfood essential that you should have, especially in your smoothies. It just makes everything so good. So I'm gonna include this in my brownies and hopefully it turns out good. This isn't the first time I'm making it, so cross your fingers for me and pray for me that it works. So after the pancakes, this is my second meal of the day. I was starting to get hungry. I'm actually noticing that because I don't have that much protein in my diet anymore and I'm raising my fats and lowering my carbs, I get hungrier throughout the day. So I have to snack on a lot of foods because my stomach is just kind of like, what is going on? Like, I need protein because I'm so used to eating, you know, like eggs in the morning. Like, to have a lot of eggs and a lot of protein. So this is an acai smoothie with spirulina, spinach. Spirulina, if you didn't know, is another superfood that you should look up. It's really good. I have to get it so I can make smoothies at home because this is $9, guys. Okay, so it has acai, spirulina, spinach, almond milk, banana, and what else? I think that's it. And finally, ta-da, we have the final meal of the day, guys. So we have some leftover pizza from yesterday because I only ate half of it.